such a high. I don't know why anybody does drugs.
Look. Narinig. Lagayan mo na lang.
Hi guys! So ngayon po, nagtitingin po kami ng gamit for dorm. Ito po sa IKEA. Yes!
Ito sa lamin.
Oh, panis! Kumasyan! Soon daw, soon.
Ay, hindi ka mag-
Guys, alis sa Sigarela!
Currently, we're having our college orientation. These are your chief of staff. The academic year 2024 to 2025. To all our dearest,
I hope that you basically, if it's SES, more of interviewed some of you, always mentioned that the dream school nyo ang UST. O, tingnan nyo, nag-react kayo. Binobole nyo na ba ng interview?
Jambang HM1? H? Parang walang 1H1. 1H1 sila. Eh, andyan ba ang 1H1? Orientation 2024.
You know, an extension, okay? And I believe that we'll be having.
Approach the mic, approach the mic, approach the mic. Wow. Your name and your block and your answer.
I'm John Benedict Francisca. I'm from 1H3. And I'm guessing the word is cuisine.
Cuisine is tumpak.
Batch 2028 ng USCCH. Thank you very much, and to our parents.
And this has been the CDHM SWDC Orientation 2024.
Ayan yan!
Kasi you are welcome inside the natatakot if you have inquiries, concern. We have the food and beverage uniform that will be used in your second year to come up on stage to model the uniform. For both male and female students, we have a blue long sleeve polo with green colored lining along with your khaki slacks. This will
For both male and female students, you will be wearing a white undershirt and black and white plaid pants as your chef's jacket with the CTHM logo and black socks and your black clogs. Lastly, no jewelry will be worn for both men and women.
vlog. 5:44. So, pupunta siya sa school niya din. Ay. Shopping guys with my rich friend.
Hala, pag yan mali ah.
Wala!
Pag tayo, hindi. Yay!
Kompleto na.
God, guys! We just got home with my asawa. Na kami ang dorm life.
So, galing po kami SM. Kaya mag-ayos na kami ng mga gamit. Ano gagawin mo?
Mag-ano ng basura.
Di mo lang yung table mo. Wala pa lang. Pwede mo lang yung plastic. Ang tawag dito. Pinili kami dito, pero alam ko panlaban mo eh. Ganyan. Panggana. May pagkain ka na.
Snacks na.
Uy! Gumamalaglag ka! Uy! Sige!
Umaalog siya. Baka malikot ka patulog.
Uy! Sinabi naman to! Ito si Alex. Uy! Ang OA na! Grabe ang OA, sis! Tignan mo naman! May kunting kate. Pero... Nakuha po namin ng Freshie Kid. Di magpakilala ka naman sa vlog ko. Wow!
Dilim pa! Hi guys.
Hi guys! Hi! Bye guys! Magpipila na po kami. So, magka-class picture na naman po kami for the 100.
Yung tatlo dyan.
Guys, sobrang init guys. Time check! Wala, hindi pa rin po kami nakakaalis dito sa BG Pop.
Hi!
Hello guys. So guys, currently ito po kami nabibilad for this welcome freaking walk. Hey guys, maganda kami guys. Namutla na ako doon. Maganda kami guys. Pawis na kami. Yes.
Mamaya sisitahin na tong scarf ko.
Kaya nga.
Your stories we tell the national story. Stories of victory with your friends at the mall. Or notify
Guys, hindi nakita si Namnam. Hi guys, nandito na po kami sa loob ng... Uy, nakakambida-bida. Grabe naman. Nasa tayo.
Dito na po kami sa Navy.
Ano, time check.
Tiger Radio. Tiger TV.
Tiger TV. Time check.
2
2 p.m. 10 a.m. po yung call time. Nakakaloka. Bye guys.
Na-stress na ako.
Stress.
Tuloy na umiikot ang batch.
For the Go-Hoop game.
Ang game ng tama namin kasi sa pag-aaral. Pero kasi
Bye-bye!